Hi there, I'm Sky with BizReview AI, your trusted digital guide to the best local businesses in South Florida. Today, we're spotlighting one of the most consistent names in the exterior cleaning game, Super Kleen Pressure Cleaning, proudly serving Pompano Beach and the entire Tri-County area. That's Broward, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade. Whether it's your driveway, patio, roof, or commercial storefront, Super Kleen has built a reputation for bringing surfaces back to life. They specialize in roof cleaning, driveway and paver washing, patio and dock restoration, and even protective sealing for long-term results. Their cleaning isn't just about looks, it's about preventing damage and preserving property value. One thing that really sets them apart? Their equipment. They use commercial-grade machines with soft wash and pressure-adjustable settings, so your roof or delicate stone surfaces don't get damaged. And their eco-friendly solutions mean you're getting that deep clean without the harsh chemicals. Their team, led by Jim, is known for being professional, punctual, and incredibly detailed. Clients say things like, they showed up on time, explained everything, and went above and beyond, and it's like getting a fresh coat of paint without the paint. Super Kleen isn't some fly-by-night gig. They're fully licensed and insured, and they stand behind their work. Whether you're a homeowner prepping to sell or a commercial property manager maintaining curb appeal, this crew knows how to handle jobs of all sizes. They even offer free estimates, and you can schedule directly through their website at supercleanpressurecleaning.com, or just give them a call at 954-773-5815. They serve all types of properties: residential, commercial, HOAs, apartment complexes, and even docks and marinas. Their clients include both individual homeowners and business owners who need reliable, high-quality results with zero stress. So if you're tired of looking at grime, mildew, or weather-stained concrete, don't wait. Call Super Kleen and let the pros handle it. And if you're a business owner who'd love a professional AI-powered review video just like this one, we'd love to feature you too. Reach out. Contact info is in the bio. That's today's local spotlight. I'm Sky with BizReview AI, helping you find trusted services in your neighborhood, one video at a time.